One great thing about using Destiny Discover to find books is you can use filters many times. Now I'm going to go here to topics, find a genre that I really want to read, and I'm going to pretend for today that I'm looking for an historical fiction book. Once this logs up, you will see we have very many, over 200. So I'm going to go over here to these four lines with the chevron underneath, click on it, and start using some of these filters. Now, one thing I want to do is I want to get only books that are in right now. Let's pretend I'm actually in the library. And I'm going to make sure I want an actual book because, again, I'm pretending I'm in the library, browsing the shelves. And another thing I might want to do is go to interest level. Remember, we're a grade 6 through 12 library, so if I'm a sixth grader, I probably don't want to get something that is appropriate for adults or seniors, so I'm applying that. I might also want to go to pages and pick a book that has fewer than 503 pages. Maybe I'm in a hurry to read something quick and easy. And you'll see every time I use a filter, the results go down to fewer books. So we went from over 200, now we're down to 12. As I click on these books, I can see a little bit more about, The Great Chicago Fire. Oh, it's an I Survived. That's a really fun series. So I can click on either the title or the cover, find more information about them. I'm already logged in, so all I have to do is hit hold or look at the call number over here and go find the book actually in the library. If I'm in the library, I don't need to hold the book. I can just go pick it up. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy.